In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes color in Canva using AI Magic Edit. We'll start with a clean canvas and walk through the exact clicks you need so you can change a shirt, dress, or jacket color quickly and cleanly. First, head to Templates. From there, choose Poster, then select Create Blank. The poster size simply gives you plenty of room to see what you're doing, but the Magic Edit feature will work regardless of canvas size. Starting blank keeps the focus on the photo you're about to edit. Next, look over to the left side panel and click Uploads to bring in your image. Click on the image you want, and Canva will place it right onto your blank design. Once it appears on the canvas, click the photo to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see the bounding box around it. And with the photo selected, go up to the top toolbar and click the Edit button. A sidebar will open on the right. In that panel, click the small arrow under Magic Studio to expand the options. Now look for Magic Edit and click it. Magic Edit is designed for targeted changes using a brush and a short text prompt, which is perfect for swapping clothing colors while keeping textures and shadows intact. You'll see a brush tool appear. Carefully paint over only the article of clothing whose color you want to change. Adjust the brush size so you can outline edges precisely and fill in the interior without overlapping onto skin, hair, or the background. The more accurate your brush coverage, the cleaner the result will be. Take your time here. This selection tells the AI exactly where to apply the color change. In the text box labeled Describe Your Edit, type a simple instruction. For example, you can enter Change the color to brown. Short, clear prompts work best. If you have a specific shade in mind, describing it succinctly helps the AI understand your intent while preserving fabric detail. Now click Generate. Canva's AI will process the request and update the selected clothing area with the new color. You should see the garment maintain its natural highlights and shadows just with the new hue applied. If something looks off, it's usually because the brush covered area is outside the garment. A tighter selection generally produces more accurate results. And that's the complete workflow. Templates, poster, create blank, uploads, click your image, select the photo, edit, open Magic Studio, choose Magic Edit, brush the clothing, describe your edit, and click Generate. You've just changed clothing color in Canva using AI quickly and confidently.